Hello, this is 5-Minute Mindfulness, and we have a new strategy for you today, and it's called RAIN. You know, like rain from the clouds, or AIN, rain. Now, RAIN is one of those strategies where the letters stand for something for you to do. So we're going to start. First, there is OR.
R stands for recognize. Recognize what's going on around you. Recognize the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that are making you feel the way you do.
Now we have A.
A is for allow. Allow the experience to be just as it is. Allow it by stopping and relaxing. Let the experience just be as it is.
Next, we have I.
I is for investigate. Investigate with kindness. Pause and relax what's happening inside yourself.
Finally, we have N.
N stands for natural. Natural, loving kindness towards yourself. Give yourself a hug and tell yourself that you are a good, kind, and caring person.
Now we have the word rain.
Or recognize. A, allow. I, investigate. N, natural loving kindness. Now you have a go at it. Or, what do you recognize? A, allow the experience to be just as it is. I, investigate with kindness. And give yourself some natural loving kindness toward yourself.
This strategy is about loving kindness. And when we are able to show some loving kindness, it makes us feel better. The more we do that, the better we feel about ourselves. It is about understanding our own emotions and helping us to use that to feel better about ourselves. So I hope it's a strategy that you might be able to use. Try it again during the day. Have a good day.